This is the first video I do in a long time, and I'm sorry about that, but I had to sort some things out, and it felt like having a marathon and you don't really have a breath to do anything else. You're running, you're looking around, you want to do any other action, but the body doesn't allow it, and that's exactly how I felt. It fell out of my habits to do videos, editing and posting once a week, but I want to get back into it because I missed it a lot, and it gave me the opportunity and the motivation to go in the wilderness like I'm doing now. Right now I'm in a place called Serpentine Falls. It's a 40 minutes drive from Perth, and it feels like I'm by myself. I'll be honest, I was a bit hesitant before driving here by myself because it's a 40 minutes drive and maybe it's rainy, you get bored, it's too sunny. Of course I forgot my sunglasses, but coming here I can already see and smell that it was worth it, and there is nobody, so it feels like the reserve is only for me, just for me today. I just finished recording a bit of this, a bit of that with the drone, some great footage, but the thing is there was another guy flying the drone and I've been waiting for half an hour to have some people leaving. I asked some of the people there if I could fly, you should do it. On the 19th of January in Australia they want you to have a license if you want to fly the drone. So I got my license because also I want to make money out of it. You can fly close to people, 20 meters, and close to airports. And there was another guy flying the drone. I have on footage that I almost crashed on his drone. Well, if you're wondering, the drone is safe, everything is back to normal. I'm walking back on the track. The guys were climbing on the waterfall, close to the waterfall, to get to the truck so they can shortcut, because I think the trail will be, I don't know, half an hour walking, maybe 40 minutes walking. I'm trying to locate it now so I can get to the top, but the sky is weird. There are some white clouds, some black clouds, so I'm not really sure if it's raining. In case it's raining I have a windbreaker, so I'm safe. But the purpose of the day was to come a little bit in nature, record something, take some photos, and it smells like pine wood here. There are some magpies, maybe 10 people in a 10 km square radius, because I can't see anybody. It's just quiet. Yeah, very quiet. So now I'm trying to find the trail so I can extend this adventure for 1 hour more and then back to the city. You're probably there wondering, Luca, how much will it cost me to go to the park? And the answer is $15, but as a big fan of loopholes, I can tell you, if you park outside of the park and you walk to the park itself, you don't have to pay anything, because they charge you by car. So if you park inside, $15. If you park outside, completely free. And there is only the restriction on not feeding the animal, because if you come from Europe like me, as you enter, you will be overwhelmed by excitement because it's full of kangaroos getting close, magpies. They're used to humans now, so they will come to be fed, but you don't feed them, because if there are rangers around, they will find you, and they will find you very bad. And you don't want to ruin your day just because that animal was so cute. No, don't do that. My assumption is that these will take you to the top of the waterfall where you can see everything, so you don't have to climb the side of the cliff close to the waterfall, risking of falling. I'll be honest, I didn't get to the summit, few hundred meters, because I spent the last hours practicing with these. This year I would like to learn how to play a didgeridoo. I'm gonna take a teacher, I'm gonna put the time in, and I'm gonna learn, because it's such a fascinating instrument. One of my favorite air artists here in Australia is Xavier Rudd, so you can imagine if you listen anything from him, you already know what I'm talking about. He's is great at playing didgeridoo. I'm walking at the entrance. I'm gonna show you how this place looks. It's 2:30, this is my lunch for the day, and I just walked through the main entrance, the park at the beginning. Oh, there is a magpie approaching. You saw the banana. I just walked through this thing and I've seen a kangaroo lactating the baby. There is nobody around here. I'm calling it a day because I've been exploring around. I took the footage and the videos and the photos I wanted. I've seen some wildlife. I just saw a kangaroo lactating the baby. There is a magpie staring at me, wondering if I'm sharing some banana with her. If you come here, be careful not to feed the animals. I'm nobody to tell you what to do and what not to do and to destroy your childhood dreams of feeding an animal from your hands. But if you are caught from the rangers, they will give you a fine, so be careful about that. And most of all, if you decide to go against my advice and feed the animals, don't give them Doritos, share something fresh with them. If you come here from Perth, it will be 40-60 minutes drive, depending on where you live. The entry cost is $15. If you don't want to pay, you park outside and you walk for 15 minutes, you get here. And there is plenty of stuff to do. There are a lot of animals around. In the main area there are kangaroos. And if you venture further, you can walk in the trail that gets you on top of the waterfall. Go straight to the waterfall. You can jump in, the water is a bit chilly, but it is refreshing. It's a good escape from the city. And I know for a fact, because I've been asking around to all my friends, relatives, and people I know here, that COVID played a factor on your mental health. So don't be ashamed of leaving, switching off the phone and spending one day with yourself of quality time, where you reconnect with yourself, with nature, and you can come back refreshed and recharged. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget, yes, I'm gonna tell you that, don't forget to smash the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.